What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartel, Editor-in-Chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another video review. Today we're taking a look at the T-Force, or TeamGroup T-Force Nighthawk RGB DDR4 memory kit. This is a 16GB memory kit from T-Force. They're the gaming division of TeamGroup, and TeamGroup's well known for some of their crazy RGB SSDs and other cool stuff. They got some excellent RAM, and this is the Nighthawk RAM. So, this is really cool, okay? As you can see right off the bat as we begin the review, because this product is small, I'm just doing a review altogether. Now, T-Force on the top left, DDR4 gaming, Nighthawk. You got the product here. It shows you a Design Award 2018, Computex 2017, Totem Excellence Design Award. The power from TeamGroup. So, as you can see, it is looking mighty sharp already. Little story of what goes on the back. Now, it's a 16GB kit. The timings are CL16-18-18-38 and the voltage is 1.35 volts. So, it is looking mighty sharp. Full color RGB lighting effects. Exclusive Hawkeyes with Battle Titanium design, Heatwing heat spreader, T-Force Blitz RGB software, XMP2 support, and ultra low working voltage with saving energy and global lifetime warranty. So as you can see, this is all of the cool RGB software it's supported with. It's looking mighty sharp. Now, let's go ahead and open this. Clean off the razor blade.